Welcome. In this episode, we are going to show you how to make onion, capsicum, and tomato uttapam. For that, ingredients you will need are 2 cup of rice powder, 1 cup of urad dal powder. Take a large bowl and put urad dal powder and rice powder in the ratio of 1:2, that is 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cup of rice. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. After that, add 1½ cup of water in it. And make a thick paste of it. And leave the batter for overnight for fermentation. After overnight fermentation, the batter will increase in quantity. For making coconut chutney, the ingredients you will need are 1 medium-sized coconut, few leaves of curry leaves, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now grate the coconut and put it in the grinder. After that, add chopped coriander leaves. Add salt according to your taste. For making tadka for chutney, take a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle it up. After that, add curry leaves. Again, let it crackle. Then immediately pour the tadka over the coconut chutney and mix it well. For making uttapam batter, the ingredients you will need are fermented batter, chopped capsicum 1 cup, chopped onions 1 cup, chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Now take a large bowl and pour the fermented batter in it and add 1 cup of water and add coriander leaves. After that, mix it well. Take a flat pan and heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Then pour the batter and spread it on the pan. Now sprinkle chopped onions, chopped capsicum, and chopped tomatoes on the top of it and let it cook on the medium heat. Add a little bit of oil. First take it out from the side Then flip it over. Put it on the other side also. Add little bit oil. Flip it again. Now take it out on a plate. Serve it hot with coconut chutney.